How to create a sender. First, after logging into the portal, navigate to the Channels and Numbers section and select Channels. Here, choose RCS Business Messaging to begin the registration process. You'll see several tabs, including Brands and Senders and Launch Requests. Brands represent your organization, and you can either use an existing brand or create a new one during registration, while senders are the names that appear in the messaging app when your messages are delivered. Launch Requests is where you can view the status of the sender requests you've created. To create a new sender, click on Create Sender button. Enter a unique sender name. Next, choose an existing brand or create a new one. In this example, we'll create a new brand. Select the hosting region. This represents the physical location where your RCS sender's backend services are hosted by Google. Make sure you choose the correct region, as this setting cannot be changed after the sender is created. Next, select the billing category. You can choose between conversational and non-conversational. Conversational billing is suitable for two-way communication and more complex interactions. Non-conversational billing is ideal for one-way messaging and supports plain text messages of up to 3,072 characters. For this example, we'll select non-conversational. You also need to select use case you can pick from: one-time password, transactional, promotional, and multi-use. Let's go for promotional. Click Next to start filling out the public profile. Fill in the display name, which is the name that will be displayed in the messaging app. Fill in the description about your agent and color. Provide contact details, label for phone, primary email, primary website, and upload your images. Remember, the banner must be 1440 by 448 pixels, and the logo 224 by 224, both within the specified file size limits. If any files exceed the recommended size, the system will prompt you to correct them before proceeding. Then input the privacy policy and terms of service URLs. On the right, you can see live preview of how your sender will appear to the end user. Once everything is filled out, correctly confirm with the Create Sender button and wait for your sender to be created. Once it is created, it is time to whitelist your test number. Add test device and enter your phone number in international format. Click Create and wait for the test invite on your mobile. Once you approve the invite, refresh the page to see the test device status change to ready. Here you can also see an example of what it looks like if the number is unsupported or offline. In that case, please reach out to support for assistance.